Hi friends, once again now you are just going to see a new topic. As I taught you earlier also a lot of topics. This new topic is just from the composition part, writing skill part, the report writing, which is very important especially for the students of schools and colleges as well as for the official people also. So first try to understand what mean by a report. It is a form of composition in which you report an incident that has taken place, means that already took place earlier. It is of two types, general report and news report. General report means common report, and news report which is published in the news. But here, if for a student when they are writing, for them it is very important that they have to understand the method of that, and because they are writing especially for their paper, they are not going to publish in the newspaper. Okay, but a very important thing is there, both are written in same order, only source of the news changes. It is very important that source of the news, later I will show you and I will guide you what is the source of the news. Only difference will be there, other things will not change. Now first to see the layout of the report. First in that one, very important, first headline means title. Title should be written. It is very important that the title should be appropriate. After that, on the left side, just touching the margin, place. Either they can write the city name or just write the area name also. And after that, on the right side of that, date should be there. And after writing place and date, below to that they have to write the source of the news. And very important, as I said earlier, just see what is written there, by student reporter or staff reporter. If the general report is there, write by student reporter. If the news report is there, they have to write the staff reporter. So three parts complete. Headline, after that place, date, source of the news. Place, date and source of the news, all these three things are called date line. And after that, next is the report which they are going to write, paragraph, and that should be minimum, I can say, three parts. Three paragraphs should be there, minimum 3 or 4. Introductory paragraph, first intro, then continuing information paragraph, and after that last one will be the concluding paragraph. And but whenever anyone is writing the report, it is very important that they have to follow some rules. They are very important. I think now that part is clear in your mind, where I clarified the different parts of a report in the layout part. Headline, place, date, source of the news, and after that body of the report, all three parts, introductory, continuing and the concluding. Now in the rules, first, a report must find out the answer of some important questions. Who is writing the report? When that incident took place? What happened? How happened? Why? What are the cause of that? Once again I am repeating, who is reporting, means on which date, when, what, how, why. All these answers should be in the report. After that, a report should be brief, very important. It is not a story that you will write anything, so you have to write briefly. After that, it should not be in the past tense. It should be in the past tense, and mostly with passive voice sentences. Report writing should be written in the past tense. Don't write in present, because whatever happened earlier, that you are reporting. So it should be written in the past tense only, and mostly with the passive voice sentences. 6 point, date line. Place, from which place you are reporting. Like you are in Mumbai, so you might, suppose you are staying in Dadar, write Dadar, or you can write the Mumbai also. Then date, on which date you are writing the report. Remaining part, when incident happened, that will come in the body of the report. But on which date you are writing the report, that date should be especially in the starting date line part. After that, source of the news. If it is a general report, you will write student reporter. If it is a news report, you will write the staff reporter. And it should be in the proper order. Means already I shown you the layout, and so therefore it should be in the proper order. After that, 7 point, third person pronouns like he, she, it, they is used more. We have to write that. First person pronoun I should be avoided. Means we can't write that I was going, I was doing this one, that one. So we have to take care about that. And last point, personal opinion is avoided in the report. Personal opinion, we can't write our own opinion. Whatever happened earlier, only that thing we are showing in the report. So at last, I am recapitulating one very important thing for you, that is the layout part. First headline in center. After that, on below to that on the left side, first place, then date, then source of the news. I said earlier, if the journal report, by student reporter. If it is the news report, staff reporter. After that, all three paragraphs. Means in the body of the report, minimum 3 paragraphs should be there, or 4 also might be there, but not more than that, because we are not writing a story, it is a report. So we should take care about all these things. I hope you enjoyed this topic, and if you liked it, please click the like button and subscribe my channel, Raj.